So, you added an AWeber pop-up to your WordPress site, and now you're wondering how to remove it. Maybe it's annoying visitors, slowing down your site, or just not converting the way you expected. Whatever the reason, I'll show you exactly how to get rid of it quickly, and stick around because I'll also share a better alternative that makes managing pop-ups way easier. First, if you added the pop-up through AWeber's built-in WordPress plugin, go to your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Plugins, find AWeber for WordPress, and deactivate or delete it. That alone should remove most pop-ups added through AWeber. Next, if the pop-up was embedded using a script or shortcode, head over to Appearance and GT, Widgets or Pages and GT, Edit, depending on where you placed it. If you see an AWeber form code snippet, just delete it and update the page. Another thing, some pop-ups are added directly through AWeber's landing page settings rather than WordPress itself. If that's the case, log into AWeber, go to Landing Pages, find the one connected to your site, and disable the pop-up option. If it's still showing, AWeber might have injected it via custom JavaScript. To remove it, check Appearance and GT, Theme File Editor, or any custom script managers you're using, like Google Tag Manager. Look for any AWeber-related scripts and remove them. Now, if you're using a caching plugin like WP Rocket or W3 Total Cache, clear your cache after making changes, otherwise, the pop-up might still appear even though you removed it. Still not gone? Try checking AWeber's settings directly under sign-up forms or automations to see if the form is still active. AWeber is decent, but it can be frustrating, especially if you want more control over how pop-ups display. And that's why, after testing all the major email marketing tools, I found a much better alternative that makes pop-ups easier to manage and actually improves conversions. If you want to try it out, click the first link in the description. You'll get the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available through our link.